The internal and the external diameter of a hollow hemispherical vessels are 21 centimeter and 25.2 centimeter respectively. Find the cost of painting it all over at the rate of 1.5 rupees per centimeter square. So you can see the units are all uniform: centimeter, centimeter, centimeter square. Now, when it comes to say knowing what it has to paint the surface. Which surface? Big question. So you will find the surface is even this, which is basically the area of the ring here. Plus the surface is visible to you, right? There is one more surface it has to paint. And what is that? If you find that it has a surface inside that also. So this is a surface inside this also. Inside that also. It also has to be painted, right? It's saying all over it. So everything. Is that okay? So we have to find the surface area, and that surface area would be outer curved surface area, inner curved surface area, and area of this edge, which is basically a ring. So we have to add them up all together and then multiply with the rate. Simple. So what is the area of the outer curved surface area? That is, you can say outer curved surface area plus inner curved surface area plus area of ring. Ring, which is basically, you can say, is the edge here, right? All right. The outer curved surface area, if I take the bigger radius as capital R and inner radius small r here, outer curved surface area will be 2 pi r square, inner will be 2 pi r small r square, and plus area of this edge ring is pi capital R square minus small r square. You know that. So we can say this is, I can take common something in it, I can take common as pi. What is left? 2r square. So 2r square plus 2 small r square plus here r square minus r square, and this is the square bracket or curly bracket, we can say, right? Pi here and open up, so 2r square, open up the bracket, plus outside will be r square plus and plus 2 small r square will be, right, minus r square. So pi, what is this, 3r square, and r square minus 2r square minus r square, it will give you how much? R square only, right? So put the value 22 upon 7 into 3 into, what is r? First one is the diameter they have given you. So capital R is 25 upon 25 plus 2, 25.2. 25.2 divided by 2 plus this is 20 by 21 by 2. Okay, now if I solve all of these together here, see what will happen. (22 upon 7 into if you get it cancel, it will be 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, and 2 2 6 are 12. So that will be 3 into here 12.6 plus 21 divided by 2 is 10.5. Okay, so we have to add them up. So this will be 3 into 12.6. That will give you This is 22 upon 7 into 37.8 plus 10.5. So that will further give you 22 upon 7 times, if you add it up, 37.5 into 10.5. 48.3, and 48.3 has to be divided by 7, 6.9. So it will give you finally 6.22 into 6.9, and if you multiply it by 22, it will give you 151.8. Now this is the total curved surface area, centimeter square. We have to multiply this with the rate to get it. So what is the rate? Rate is, so cost, total cost, I would say, is total surface area, not total surface area. So okay, I'll just total area, we can say surface area that we have found, not the area of the formula there, into the rate. So what is that? That is 151.8 into 1.50, right? So if you multiply with 1.5, I get 227. So total cost is 227.7 rupees. So cost here we can say will be equal to, total cost is 227 rupees and 70 paise. This is in rupees here. Okay, there is a mistake that we have done here. It was square, I did not square it. So everything went wrong after this. Okay. So since we had not squared it, we got a wrong answer here. So this is, when I square it, it will become 25.2 is upon 2 is 12.6 the whole square, 10.5 the whole square, and then 3 into the square of 12.6 is 158.76, and the other one is 110.25. Multiply and then add these two, we get this much. Multiply by 22.7, we get 184338 is this total surface area. So cost, total cost here will be, total cost will be equal to area into rate. So what is the rate here? So that will be equal to 1843.38 and into 1.50. So if I multiply this rate with this rate into 1.50, we get 2765.07 rupees. So the total cost is rupees 2765.07. Okay. So this is the final answer that we have here in it. This is the answer.